Have you ever stopped to ponder about the most valuable investment you can make? It's not real estate. It's not stocks. It's not even precious metals. It's you. Yes, you heard it right. Investing in yourself stands as the most significant investment you'll ever make. In the world of finance, investing in yourself is often an overlooked factor. Yet, it's the most potent way to achieve a prosperous and fulfilling life. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit to unlock your full potential. It's about acquiring new skills, cultivating your health, and enhancing your worth in your career. How can you invest in yourself? There are countless ways. You can enroll in courses that expand your knowledge and skills. You can network to open doors to new opportunities. You can master the art of personal finance to manage your money better. Each of these actions is an investment in yourself. But what does the financial side of investing in yourself look like? It means setting aside a budget specifically for self-improvement. It means maintaining an emergency fund to safeguard against unforeseen circumstances. It means considering long-term investments to secure your future. And just like any other investment, it's crucial to track your progress. Set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Regularly evaluate how your investments in yourself are contributing to your personal growth, and adjust as needed. Investing in yourself is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. A journey that promises a better future, a journey that leads to self-fulfillment. So go ahead, invest in yourself. You're worth it. Remember to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Start your journey of self-investment today and reap the rewards of a more prosperous and fulfilling life. Stay tuned, and until next time, keep investing in the most valuable asset you have, yourself.